Allah. They're trying to get out?
Yeah, yeah, he tries to get up.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
He's got a lot of muscles.
Yeah.
Hey, it'll be good for him because my car is over there. I will get out when he get out.
Yeah.
So all I have to do is wait. Yeah.
It's good. He makes a way from here.
Yeah.
Lot of people try.
A lot of people try. See, those
Yeah.
people, they're trying too.
Yeah.
Shit. Because right now, this is the problem for this neighborhood. They don't have anybody to clear this. All they need is just to clear this area,
Yeah.
and the roads are okay. See,
Yeah.
many people are driving.
But this car very easy goes. ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਵੀ ਆਸਾਨ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਬੰਦੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਤੱਕੋ ਨਾ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਿਆ ਉਹ ਪੂਰਾ ਪਹਾੜ ਦਾ ਸੱਟਾ ਉਹ ਤੱਕੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੱਢ ਖੜਨੀ ਹੈ ਭਾਈਜਾਨ ਇਹ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ